Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest wash day routine for short or medium length dry natural fussy hair. Stay tuned! The first thing I do on hair wash day is to pre-poo my hair, which is short for pre-shampoo. And I do this because most shampoo we use strips our hair of moisture, but then pre-poo prevents this, and also it softens my hair and helps reduce breakage. So I use three products, and the first one is the conditioner. I use oil, and then I use aloe vera. You can use the natural aloe vera, or you use anyone you can get. This was the one I could get at the local beauty store, and yeah, that's what I use. And then you make sure you mix that together and apply it to your hair. This makes me feel like I'm applying relaxer to my hair as a girlie that used to have her hair relaxed, because it softened my hair so much. And then you trap in the heat. You can use the shower cap, you can use the polythene bag. Yeah, just make sure you trap in the heat. That's all you need for the pre-poo to penetrate your hair strands. And then you cleanse that out after waiting for about 30 minutes or more. And now we're ready for shampooing, but before that you have to take out the twist. I had this twist after taking down my twist the previous day, so I'm taking that out so I can shampoo my hair and make sure that my scalp and my hair is well cleaned. And then you apply your shampoo. Applying of shampoo is just to clean the hair and remove the buildups in your head, and also any excess oil that you have in your hair. The shampoo is going to remove that for you. After shampooing your hair, then you rinse it out with water. For me, I like shampooing my hair twice because I've got a thick hair, and shampooing twice makes my hair strands and my scalp clean real good. And then I go in with my shampoo brush. Guys, this is my favorite part of hair wash day. Trust me, this feels so good on the scalp. It does an amazing job in cleaning your scalp, and it stimulates blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. Trust me guys, if you've not been doing this during your hair wash day, then you should definitely give it a try. You're gonna love it. And then I go in with water again to rinse out the shampoo from my hair. And you want to make sure that you rinse out everything. You don't want any shampoo left in your hair. And then look at that guys. Look at that beauty. Just look at that. Pre-pooing just helps rejuvenate my hair because I've got a dry hair. But see, that is really amazing. Then I go right into deep conditioning. If you have a type 4 hair, then deep conditioning is really essential for your hair, especially on your hair wash day. If it's once in a month, you should really add that to your routine, because this adds moisture and also helps in detangling. So I just add my conditioner, and then I use my white tooth comb to detangle and just put it into sections. Okay, if your hair is not as long as this, if it's not up to this length, then you might not want to section it. You might just go in with your conditioner, and then you detangle it with your comb or with your brush, and then you just make it that way. Okay, but guys, I've only used detangling comb. I haven't tried the detangling brush. What do you think about it guys? If you're using a detangling brush, or you know someone that uses it, would you just put in the comment section what you think about it? I just use the detangling comb because I like the feel it gives my hair. Just look at that. Look how soft my hair is right now. So after adding your deep conditioner, detangling and sectioning your hair, you just want to go in again with a shower cap or a polythene bag or anything at all you can lay your hands on, because we want to keep that heat trapped in again, and this time around for 30 to 1 hour. Okay, so for this one I also used a thicker shower cap, and then you use a cotton cloth just to wrap it around your head to have that heat locked in. This is after about an hour that I've been trapping in the heat, and just look at that, guys. Now my hair is so soft, so moisturized, and looks so healthy. And then I'm just gonna take out the twist and head into the shower to rinse out the deep conditioner. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the deep conditioner. Now it's time to moisturize and seal in the moisture. So I use my leave-in conditioner from Boots. This is coconut and almond leave-in conditioner. And then I just spray that all over my hair to keep it moisturized. And then I go in with this hairspray I made with herbs. I made it for my edges and I've been using it for 2 weeks now. I would say it's doing an amazing job considering how my edges looked like before I started using it. And then I'm just gonna massage everything into my scalp. Guys, I love this part so much. And the last one is another product I made from herbs, and this is to seal in the moisture that we've added to the hair. And you're just gonna massage it again like so. Massaging your scalp does a lot for your hair, okay? It stimulates blood circulation, which in turn promotes hair growth. So you wanna include this part. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. If you really like this video, if you've gotten value, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, share, and like the video. And also please let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any video suggestion for me, just let me know. If you also want to know how I stretched my hair without weave before I made a new hairstyle, then I would like to share that with you. See ya!